A Speaker of Parliament is not supposed to be campaigning.
You clearly saw that Norbert Mao pointed out that he is not going to campaign or tell people to run around looking for votes campaigning, as opposed to some people are doing. And he said the law is clear, doesn't allow in this getting it clear. I'm going to take you through what is clear and what is not clear, what is true and what is not true. Check out Mao's statement.
This is an announcement. It's not a campaign. I believe in rules. Under the rules of procedure of Parliament, we are not supposed to campaign. There are members of Parliament who are supposed to be sworn in the 12th Parliament who contacted me and wanted to record videos endorsing my candidacy. But I told them that that's not allowed by the rules. A Speaker of Parliament is not supposed to be campaigning. Speaker of Parliament is almost like an archbishop. So imagine if the Church of Uganda is electing an archbishop, then you have recordings of bishops endorsing a candidate. That would really demean the position of archbishop. So I call upon all those who are interested in this position to desist from demeaning the stature of that office. The other day, when Pope Francis passed on, there was an election for Pope. Now imagine if cardinals started posting videos saying, I endorse so and so for Pope. I endorse so and so for Pope. That would be the most embarrassing thing. So I'm sorry to all my supporters. You are not allowed to campaign for me. Please don't campaign. The office of Speaker, according to Rule 5, is not one which is elected through campaigns. As a matter of fact, during the election of Speaker, the candidates don't even talk. The candidates are not supposed to talk. Just the proposer of a candidate speaks briefly. Even the rules say briefly about the qualifications of the candidate. Now, the only major qualification for Speaker is that you are a member of Parliament. So all those who have been elected to the 12th Parliament are possible candidates. Just like all the cardinals in a conclave are possible candidates to be Pope. But I would add two things. In terms of qualifications, your proposer has to talk about your record. And your record means your journey. I'm not a new person in the politics of Uganda. Everything about me, the good, the bad, and the ugly, is out there in the public view.
Yes, it's largely correct in principle, but it needs legal clarification. Under the rules of procedure of the Parliament of Uganda, the election of the Speaker is not conducted like a national political campaign, the way some of the candidates are doing. It is an internal parliamentary election. Here is how it works legally. What the Constitution says, the Constitution of Uganda 1995, Article 82(1) provides that Parliament shall elect a Speaker and Deputy Speaker from among persons qualified to be members of Parliament. It does not prescribe public campaigning. what the parliamentary rules say. The election is conducted by nomination of candidates by MPs, seconded by other MPs. Voting is by secret ballot, presided over by the clerk to parliament. There is no formal legal framework for public rallies, posters, or national campaigns, the way some people are already doing. So is campaigning illegal? Not exactly. The law does not provide for public campaigning, does not regulate campaign financing for speakership. It treats it as an internal vote among MPs. However, MPs are free to lobby colleagues. Political parties may endorse candidates internally or externally. Public persuasion is political but not formally structured by law. So why Mao's argument matters? Mao's point likely means the speakership is not a popular vote position. It is decided by MPs only. Therefore, public mobilization or aggressive campaigns are not legally required. So the political reality versus legal position. In practice, candidates lobby MPs intensely. Political camps mobilize. Public statements influence perception. But legally speaking, there is no statutory campaign process like presidential or parliamentary elections under the Electoral Commission Act.